Hello, my name's Stevie Vegas and this is a quick tutorial for the cup song made famous by the movie Pitch Perfect. I'll run through the routine a couple of times and then we'll talk you through it a bit slower. Here goes. The first part starts off fairly simple. You just go clap, clap, table, table. So we'll try that again. Clap, clap, table, table. Then this time without me actually saying it. The next part of the routine is just as simple. You just go clap, up, down. Clap, up, down. Then when you add it to the first bit, clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Now for the tricky part, but don't worry, we'll run through it quite a few times and then we can try the whole thing. So all we do is clap, we sweep the cup off the table by inverting our hand round. We touch the top of the cup, we touch the bottom of the cup off the table. We then bring our hand in to catch the bottom of the cup. Hand down, cup down. All sounds a bit tricky. Helps if you can remember clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, cup. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, cup. Now the point that the cup lands back on the table, if you've got a partner, you'd push the cup across to them and you'd get their cup and then you'd continue, but we're doing it by ourselves. Okay, let's run through the routine a few more times. So, clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, cup. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, cup. If you found this cup song tutorial of any use at all, please like, share, comment, or do any of those other social media things. You'll find a whole ton of circus skills tutorials on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.